In the world of social distancing, accelerated underwriting has become extremely popular. A touchless process for clients is very desirable and understandably so. But there are some best practices to share with clients to make sure that their expectations are met. First of all, it's important to understand that accelerated underwriting is not a guaranteed process. In fact, about 65 to 70% of the applicants with the carrier that has the highest acceptance rates are actually making it through, meaning about 1 out of every 3 clients is not accepted into the process. Usually those are clients who are not qualified for underwriting. In other words, there's something in their medical background or in their underwriting profile that precludes them from participating in the process. The insurance carrier is going to run a motor vehicle report. They're going to run the medical information bureau. They're going to run a prescription check. There's a lot of different factors that come into play as to whether or not a client will be accepted into the process. Again, it's not a guarantee. Advisors who have the most success with this tell their clients that there is a potential, if they participate in this process, that they won't have to do an exam, but make it very clear that it's not a guarantee and that they may have to go through the regular process. But if they're not accepted in the accelerated underwriting process, they're no worse for the wear. It's also important to understand that a number of carriers, since the COVID-19 pandemic has arisen, that have expanded their programs. A carrier, for example, that had a limitation of $1 million may now go up to 2.5 or 3 million. But there's usually a requirement that that client has been to see their doctor regularly, had blood work done. In other words, there's additional information that the insurance company can seek to make sure that they're protecting themselves and making good decisions in underwriting. Nearly every insurance carrier is going to have a pre-qualification document that can be used to make sure that the client is a good candidate for accelerated underwriting. BUI also has numerous tools, including our pre-underwriting questionnaire, which will help identify issues before the case goes into formal underwriting. And the entire BUI marketing team is ready to assist and make sure that expectations are appropriate for you and your clients. If you have any questions, reach out to anyone on the BUI marketing team at 314-392-2841 or email marketing@buiusa.com.